What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we are at the shop. And if you caught the last upload about the V8 wagon that was 5-speed swapped, all that, everybody loved it, everybody fell in love with it. Make sure you go back and check that out. But that car essentially had a flat tap at 302, some headers, and a T5 out of Mustang. Well, we kind of decided we wanted to do the world's fastest coyote swap. And no, it's not done or anything like that, but we just thought it would be fairly interesting to just see how long it would actually take to do it. So,
See my bumper cover out here?
oh yeah, there it is. There it is. Yes, the engine is actually in. No, don't get all crazy and think that we fired it up or anything like that. It is literally just sitting in there. AJEK member way down there. It's just sitting in there. But yes. Oh, the coilovers are on it too? Yeah. Coilovers are on it. So yes, this right here, you're seeing it right here first on Foxcast Media. The world's fastest coyote swap has happened in the LTD wagon. That is ridiculous. So basically last Sunday, Cody and Ken and Dover came out here and decided they just, couldn't wait. And of course I had other obligations. I couldn't be here, but there is the little 302 out of the car. It's all wrapped up for safekeeping, condom in it. And yeah, lots of parts actually. But essentially the plan is the bell housing. Where's the bell housing?
It's over there with the headers and the rack.
We've got parts.
Yeah, over there.
Where? Okay, so we actually do have parts. So if you think we're kidding about this actually happening, no, we're not. Right here are the BBK swap headers. Right here, quick time bell housing for the T5. Got the master cylinder right there. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is actually going down, and it's going down for real. Dover, this is going to be like the shop car, right?
Shop car, yeah.
And you know what I forgot? I forgot the stickers. Dang it. Okay, I'm going to have to bring the stickers out. But what we're going to do is we're going to have the big Foxcast Media and Dover's Garage stickers on here. And maybe even do like the patina, like Dover's Garage on the door. Kind of like Gas Monkey-ish. And yeah, this is what we're going to like go eat lunch in and get parts. And this is the sickest build ever. But first, obviously, we got to get the K-member back out because the Mustang headers didn't work.
It's a bitch getting it in with those headers.
So the experiment was, one of the motors Dover got was out of a Mustang, and it had long tube headers on it, if you can kind of see. So those are 11 to 14 Mustang BBK long tube headers, and the idea was, well, let's just see. I mean, we've got all the parts here. Let's just see if they will fit, and clearly they don't.
Not at all.
I mean, but it was worth a shot, though, right?
Yeah. They're sitting there, huh?
So, I mean, it is actually physically in, but there is no way you're going to put a steering shaft there, and probably several other issues as well. But as you can clearly see, it is in the car. But we're actually in the process of pulling the engine out, but I wanted to show you, there is the T5 transmission that was in the car. Of course, the double hump Mustang cross member, and, oh, there's my baby. Anyway. So we've got the QuickTime bell housing, which basically allows you to make a modular engine to that T5. Now, obviously, the T5 is not going to last long. Like, it might make it out of the driveway, I don't know. But yeah, the T5 is way out of its league, even with a modified push rod like 5.0. So being behind the Coyote, it's going to be on borrowed time from the go, but we're not worried about it. If it breaks, we'll find another one. Alright, so quick update. Engine is out. And I was telling you earlier about these headers. These are 11 to 14 Mustangs, like actual Mustang headers. Yeah, they don't work. And I pity the thing that was running these things. But yeah, engine's back out. Empty bay. What we're doing right now, pulling off the bell housing and to get the clutch off the 302. And gonna bolt up the headers, the right headers, put on the flywheel, and call it good. Yes, we're a little nuts, but who cares? Okay guys, so this is one of the issues that we're facing. Obviously we're putting a T5 in with a 10 spline input shaft. So the problem is, again, this is a 10.5 inch. This is a clutch out of the 14 GT motor that we bought, and as you can see, it's 26 spline. The other problem is you have the newer one is a 11 inch. The older one, the Fox, is a 10.5 inch. So what we're trying to do here is we need a clutch disc with a 26 spline input, or excuse me, with a 10 spline input to work with the 11 inch flywheel. So we're gonna try to figure that out one way or the other. We're making a little bit of progress here, and there are the BBK swap headers. Cheapest on the market, right?
Yes, as far as I know.
The idea is just to get the thing together. We've got the 11 to 14 Mustang headers off here. I'll show you those real quick. Those are the 11 to 14 Mustang headers. They're gone. And now we're going to bolt on the swap headers. We did find a clutch from a 2000 Mustang that we're going to use. But yeah, there's the swap headers. And it doesn't matter what header you're putting on a Coyote, they're a complete pain in the ass. Complete. So, BBK headers are on.
Hit right here, what you see.
Oh yeah, watch. Yep, sure enough. BBK headers are on. We're fitting the quick time bell housing.
Let's go ahead. I think the headers, this needs to go first, I think.
Great. So we just spent literally 40 minutes hooking up these headers now, because they're a complete pain. All the bolts are hard to get to except like that one. And it's got to come back off because it doesn't clear the QuickTime bell housing. Coyote swap fun rolls on. Alright guys, so here's the deal. We're running into all kinds of issues, and we're going to have to do a to be continued on this one. We've got clutch fork issues, we've got header clearance issues, and a whole lot of stuff. So, yeah. Stay tuned, because we're going to figure this out one way or another. I think.